Hey guys, happy Friday. Thank you for joining me on this Fun Fact Friday. On today, I just want to give you this one little quick simple tip. And I know everybody is tired of being cooped up, being in the house, being on quarantine. But this little Fun Fact Friday is only going to take a few moments here. The main thing is no matter what type of investing you're doing, two things you need to do. You need to consistently follow up on your lead. So if you have a lead that you haven't spoke to in a few weeks, you're probably going to miss out on that deal. So it's very important that you follow up and you do exactly what you say you're going to do. And number two is you really want to, when you do follow up, you want to make sure you touch bases with that person and provide them exactly what you said that you're going to provide them. So, being honest, if you say, hey, I'm going to give you a call back in 2 weeks and I'm going to have such and such information for you, then you want to make sure you have that information for them. So, real brief, this Fun Fact Friday is if you want to close more real estate deals, if you want to close more deals, you have to follow up. You have to be persistent. You have to get on the phone, on your text messages, on emails, or in person. You have to follow up. Believe me, when I first got started, I thought I was being a pest, telling people, they would say, well, call me in a week. I would call them in a week. They'll say, call me in 2 weeks. I will call them in 2 weeks. But I come to find out that the majority of the deals that I did close were from follow-ups. Yes, I do get the low-hanging fruit when you make a phone call and people say, yes, I'm ready to sell right now, right away. But there's very, very limited people that feel that way. A lot of times they may want to say that, but they going to try and play the long game and say, well, I was kind of thinking about selling, not really interested in selling, but I got you on the phone. What do you have to offer? Although those people may be really interested in selling, a lot of times they're not going to come out and tell you that. So you have to follow up. A lot of times, again, I said that some of the deals that I've closed is because the people said, hey, I received, tons of letters and tons of phone calls, tons of text messages, but you were primarily the only one that consistently followed up. So I remember working with a older lady and I followed up with her almost for a year. I knew the situation where her grandson lived in the UK. She was the only one here in Phoenix, and she was around 80-something years old. So I stepped into that role of helping her out, providing that service. So if there was anything that she needed to do, when I called and followed up, I would say, hey, Miss So-and-so, is there anything that I can do for you? Is there anything you need done around the house? It's not being deceptive or anything like that when it's coming from truly a heart of service. So remember, always follow up and always do what you say you're going to do. So this is Marcus Maloney. This is your Real Estate Wholesale Fun Fact Friday. Enjoy the weekend and make sure you spend some time learning and educating yourself during this quarantine.